Are you over the age of 50 and wondering why you haven't achieved what you thought you would have done by now? How does it feel as time continues to slip past and you start to realise that you can't afford to live the life that you want to live? Have you perhaps realised that something needs to change in your life for you to be able to support yourself and your family financially in the way that you'd like to? Maybe you had assumed that by now you would have enough money tucked away that you were well on your way towards financial independence. By financial independence, I mean working because you want to and not because you have to. I believe that many of us work through life without ever really considering our medium or long-term futures. We are maybe not conscious of the implications of failing to build up enough money or savings for ourselves that when it comes to it, we could retire early if we wanted to. Perhaps we're living in a state of assuming that everything is going to be all right. For me, it was at a moment that I tripped over a video ad on YouTube last year that asked me the question, if you could have the freedom to work how, where and when you want to, would you do something about it? It's like I hadn't ever really considered another option to working in what might be described as the 9-to-5 treadmill. Most of us fill our time with going to work for somebody else, giving up the majority of our time in exchange for something called wages, without ever considering an alternative. This reminded me of an expression that the great Jim Rohn used to say, profits are better than wages. He would say that wages can earn you a living, but profits can make you a fortune. As I listened to the video, I became aware that I hadn't really ever seriously considered the true potential of working for myself and generating a significant income. Almost suddenly I knew that if I didn't change the way I was living, my financial future would not be what I wanted it to be. So if any of this resonates with you, if you are perhaps now thinking that your financial future isn't going to be what you would like it to be, can I encourage you to do something about it? If you are even only curious about making a change in your life and exploring, as I did, how you could have the freedom to work how, where and when you want to, let me encourage you to click on the link available. In return, I will send to you by email for free several short videos, the same videos that I received when I decided that I needed to do something different to help me secure my own financial future. The videos provide an introduction to a digital online marketing business opportunity which has changed the way that I work and could do exactly the same for you if you choose to do something about it. So go ahead, click on the link available and give yourself a chance, an opportunity to explore how you too could be working how, where and when you want to, and helping yourself to secure the financial future you deserve.